Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe and welcome to the new video. Today we'll be talking about Amazon ads. Specifically, we'll be focusing on search terms for Amazon sponsor products and search terms for Amazon sponsor brands. In particular, we'll be pretty much talking about those two campaign types and focusing, of course, on the keywords. We'll be talking what kind of data you can retrieve, how to do it using actually programming language, and how to do it using the newest AI tool that works pretty much like ChatGPT, but for Amazon sellers. Let's go. First of all, when talking about the search terms, when talking about the ads, their daily performance data is including impressions, clicks, spend, ad sales, conversion, CTR, CPC, ACoS, ROAS, campaign name, plus type, and of course the matched keywords. Those are pretty much the most important data points that we'll be talking about today. Now, if you want to get the data, you actually need access to Amazon Ads API, and here in reporting version 3 report types, you have sponsor products like under the search terms and sponsor brands again under the search terms. Here you have all of the metrics, but actually the ones I just mentioned, they are the most important one that we'll be focusing on today. Here, grouped by search term, you have filters, and here you have a sample call, how you can do it using programming language. So here, targeting expressions only, here's keywords only, here's sponsor brands. So here for sponsor products, again, here are the base metrics. You can actually click on each of them to learn more. Also, grouped by search term. And now how to do it. So I've recorded one video on a separate channel where actually I'm covering the Amazon Ads API. I'm covering how to establish a client application, how to create a login with Amazon application, how to set up everything, how to get the access to the API, and then how to connect using Python programming language with the sample data retrieval and then parsing the information and getting them all as a CSV. If you're interested, go and watch this video. Now I want to show you how you can actually get all of this data without knowing how to code, without knowing how to write SQL queries, without knowing Excel, CSV, but literally just talking to the data like I'm doing it pretty much right now. You're probably familiar with ChatGPT, especially in 2025. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and others are getting more and more popular. However, they are pretty limited when it comes to having a context. Like you cannot really connect your Amazon store. You always need to copy some stuff there. It doesn't have the right context. It doesn't know everything about your business. So actually build a tool that is working like ChatGPT but is connected to your Amazon Seller Central and Ad Console 24/7, so it has access to all of your data and you can just chat with it like I'm literally talking to you right now. Let's jump to this tool right now and let me show you some valuable prompts. So the tool is called DataDoe. It's actually live. You can go to datadoe.com, check it out. There's a 7-day free trial. There are coupons because we are building this tool in public and we really want to listen to the community. What kind of features should we get there? How can we improve the overall experience? Now let me show you how you can play around with this search term data. So right now I'm in the tool called DataDoe. I mean, there's a bunch of functionality here, important KPIs, profit and loss, scheduled prompts, but of course the most important feature of it is actually chat, the AI part. So let me show you some interesting prompts that you can make, how you can retrieve the search term information, how you can play around with it. So the first prompt that we'll be testing is show me all search terms with ad sales over £500 in the last 30 days. I'm using pounds because I'm connected to my UK seller account. So let's see. All right, and here we got the table. Those are the search terms with ad sales over £500 in the last 30 days. As you see here, you have the ad search term and total ad sales, and you can see the actual search terms here. For the sake of this video, I'll blur it, but you got the idea. We can even follow up here, comment on this, and here DataDoe gives us the information. So hey, your top performers are here, branded versus generic terms, product and category trends, long tail and specialty terms, recommendations. And just like this, you can actually go deeper and deeper, having a nice conversation with your AI. So it actually help you optimize your search terms, your ad campaigns, and improve your sales. Now let's check other prompts. For example, which search terms had over 50 clicks but no conversion last week? So I just know in fact that this will not really give me anything since I don't have those scenarios, but I just want to show you the actual possibilities with the DataDoe. So as you see here, hey, overview. During this time, there are no search terms received more than 50 clicks without generating any conversions. So yeah, pretty much this is good, right? But of course, if I would have such a search terms, I would definitely need to check on them since I would be wasting money, burning cash. So I don't want those scenarios. DataDoe can actually help with that. Also here you have some follow-up prompts that you can always click just to check what's possible with your account. Let's do one more. So for example here, which search terms drove the worst ROAS this month? Return of ad spend, right? So you can flag the underperformance across campaigns instantly with this prompt. Alright, and we got our answer here, right? So there's the overview. This month several search terms generated ad spend but resulted in 0 sales, leading to ROAS be actually 0. These terms are currently the less efficient in your advertising portfolio and are likely contributing to waste ad spends. Now, having those in mind, of course, the total ad spend is not like high on them, fortunately. So like here, I think is the highest, like £6. But still, like those are the search terms that I should be really careful and I should always monitor, because in your case might be, for example, worse scenarios. So yeah, this tool is actually great because you can actually monitor it. Now, great thing that you can do is you can actually take this prompt and put it and run it as a schedule prompt. So here I'll just say, hey, prompt title worst search terms. I will have it daily, input it here and create and schedule. And now I'll be going back to my home screen, scrolling down, and I'll just put it open. And just like this, I have my monitoring tool here, and this will actually refresh whatever I need it. So you can create your own dashboard with your own prompts, and therefore you can monitor a lot of things about your Amazon, not only ads, but also account health, sales, inventory, and much more things. This will be it regarding search terms. I hope you liked this video. If you want to try DataDoe, you can go actually to our landing page, datadoe.com. Check it out. 7 days free trial, no commitment. If you like it, great. Let me know in the comments. What would you like me to record next, guys? Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.